This one is growing. This is our Del Dot. They're what's called bearding. They're outside the hive right now to maintain temperature on the brood inside so they get too hot. I have 2 honey supers on it, and if I pop the lid off right now, I'm going to dump all those bees on the ground and they're going to be in the air. So I'm going to have to wait for a cooler night. But they're definitely doing good. They are definitely a strong hive, and been a strong hive now, going on 4 years, requeening themselves.